In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add flair to a Reddit post. If you've ever wondered how some posts stand out with those colorful and descriptive tags, then you're in the right place. Adding flair not only enhances your post's visibility but also helps categorize it, making it easier for others to find and engage with your content. Let's dive in and get started. First, before you can add flair to your Reddit post, you'll need to ensure you're a member of a subreddit that supports post flair. Not all subreddits have this feature enabled, so it's important to check this first. If you're not sure, a quick look at the subreddit guidelines or discussions should tell you if post flair is an option. Once you've confirmed that the subreddit supports post flair, go ahead and create a new post or select an existing one that you've already made. On the post creation page or your post page, after you've written out your content and are ready to submit, you should see an option to add flair. This option usually appears before or after you click submit, depending on the subreddit's settings. Now, if you can't immediately find the add flair option, don't worry. Sometimes it might be a little less obvious. It could be a small button or link near your post's title or to the side of your draft. This button may just say flair or add flair, but once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. Next, a list of available flair options should appear. These options are specific to each subreddit and are defined by the subreddit moderators. Take your time to scroll through and read the descriptions of each flair option. Choose one that best matches the theme of your post or the topic you're discussing. This might be a simple tag like discussion, news, or something more specific like help needed or tutorial. Picking the right flair helps other members understand the context of your post at a glance, so it's worth spending a moment to choose the most appropriate one. Once you've selected the flair you want, click to apply it to your post. Some subreddits may automatically apply the flair upon your selection, while others might require you to click a confirmation button or save your changes. Make sure you've completed this step, as it can be easy to overlook if you're moving quickly. Finally, if you're satisfied with your selection and changes, double-check everything before hitting the submit button if you haven't already posted. Once submitted with flair, your post is now ready for the world to see. The flair should be visible next to your post title for everyone in the subreddit. Remember, flares are a great way to communicate instantly what your post is about and can lead to better engagement and interaction from the community. Thanks for watching.